Hello everyone, welcome to my family's channel, Trini Simple Living. And in today's episode, we're going to be doing a very simple but delicious recipe, and it has been in my family for many years. It's called fried bananas with saltfish. These bananas were picked right in my backyard, so they have all the love from my family's hands. We grew it right here in our yard. It's organic and everything. So here's what you need. You need some bananas, half ripe, or actually the riper it is, it's better, it's tastier, it's sweeter. Okay. Okay, so we boil the saltfish. That's to get rid of the excess salt and to make sure it's cooked a little bit, even though saltfish is kind of preserved already. Empty the bananas into your pot of water. And notice that I'm not taking out the skin, so I'm boiling it with the skin on. And that's the saltfish there boiling away. Okay, so you're boiling the bananas until it's done or cooked, which will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Not too long, because you don't want to cook it too much, because you're going to be putting it in a frying pan afterwards. Okay. And this is what it's looking like when it's to that point where it's boiled really well. Now we have one chopped onion. After the bananas have been boiled, you peel the bananas and you're washing out the extra saltfish. Chip up the saltfish into bits of tiny little pieces. So we have the saltfish, we have the chopped onions, we have some chopped pimentos, as well as scotch bonnet pepper. Remember, if you don't like the heat of the scotch bonnet pepper, you can also take out the seeds. So you still get the flavor of the scotch bonnet pepper, but not the heat. You put a teaspoon of oil, dump in that saltfish, your onions, and your pepper. And as we like to say in Trinidad, chunk it, fry it up. And you're doing this until the onions become translucent. That's when you know the onions have been fried or cooked really well. After we've done that, you add in our bananas, our peeled cooked bananas. Doesn't it look very delicious? Mix up the pot a bit. Make sure that all those bananas are coated with that yummy goodness of the flavor that the oil has gotten from the onions and the pepper and the saltfish. So you're coating that oil and the saltfish and the onions, and you're mixing it up well with the bananas. And I added in that whole pepper there because I still want that little extra flavor from the pepper, but I don't want too much of the heat. Mix it up, stir it up a bit, make sure it's well mixed, thoroughly mixed. And at this point, you can taste for salt. And if you think it needs more salt, you can add salt, but usually I don't add any extra salt because I already have salt from the saltfish. So you can taste, and if you would like to add more salt, you can add salt at this point. And there you have it, guys. Banana with saltfish. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In my family, we usually have it for breakfast and sometimes for dinner. But you decide how you would like to do that. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.